Let me give you an emotional photo. Wait, hold on, wait.
You gotta be in your feelings. Channel Drake.
What up, you guys? It is 5:30 a.m. Saturday morning. We have a big day today at JSF, so I'm going to just get this day started, go hit a workout, and then you guys will find out. So I am 168.6. And so what that is yesterday I weighed, or 176, sorry, that's too early. 176.8. Yesterday I weighed in at 176.4, but I'm still dropping. Again, do a little quick physique update. So here it is, coming in. We are on our way to the gym. It is about 6:15. Gonna go hit some arms, and then I always throw shoulders in on Saturday and then do a little bit of conditioning. Today's kind of my quick workout for myself. So we're gonna go hit that. But the reason today is very exciting is we have a workshop going on at JSF where BJ Gador is coming in, who, if you guys don't know who BJ is, he used to be the editor of Men's Health, now runs his own site, lives in Malibu, and runs the Daily BJ. So super funny guy, super awesome dude, and has great content. But he's coming in this morning, and they're doing a workshop from 10 to 5, so I just got to get all ready for that today. So I'm going to the gym to get my workout in right now, and then we will be teaching class 8 and 9, and then right afterwards, Jeremy and BJ will be showing up, and we will be doing the event all day. So super excited to share with you guys what this event's gonna be. I don't even know what it has all in store, so we'll just see what the day takes. But first we'll hit a workout and go from there. Starting this Saturday morning off right with some arms and shoulders. So here we're gonna start with dumbbell curls, just getting 3 sets of 15, getting a good squeeze at the top of the movement and somewhat control the weight on the way down. Afterwards, we're gonna go right into dumbbell overhead extension. It's gonna be doing 3 sets of 15 reps, making sure you're trying to get down to parallel. That way the tricep is going through the full range of motion. Then we're gonna make a tricep out of this. Adding in dumbbell lateral raises, we're going to go 10 sets of 20 reps. So what this will be is after every single bicep and tricep exercise, we're going to do lateral raises. So this will be the first 3 sets of my lateral raises, and then after this we're going to go into dumbbell hammer curls. So going back to curls, but just switching it up to hit the bicep at a different angle. Going 3 sets of 15, again getting a good squeeze at the top, and then after going into banded tricep extension. Reason I'm using the band is because we don't have cables at Jeremy, so we can make it work. Going 3 sets of 20, keeping those elbows pinned and getting a good squeeze at the bottom of the movement. And then going back into those dumbbell lateral raises, again we'll be hitting these all 3 sets as well for 20 reps. And then going into TRX bicep curls. So this is great because you can adjust your weight by how far you walk your feet in or out. That will adjust your weight. But we're gonna go 3 sets of 12 and pair that with 3 sets of 12 on tricep extensions using the TRX. I like the TRX just because it's a little different and you get to use your whole body weight when doing the exercises. Then going back to those dumbbell lateral raises to finish us off, and we're going to just add 1 extra set in to make sure we get 10 sets of 20 reps. And then ending the day with our arms, we're going to just grab a band and rep out 50 reps as much as you, or as fast as you can, just to really pump the blood in and get a good pump. Then moving on to abs, we're going to do ab rollouts. So how this is going to be structured is you're going to go 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, and we're just going to do this for 5 minutes. This way you get a good amount of reps in the 5 minutes, and I like it a little better structured than just 3 sets of 10. And then to finish off for some conditioning, same structure, but we're going to use battle ropes. So just going quick little speed ropes using the 10 seconds of rest, 20 seconds of work for 5 minute structure. So just finished up with the workout. Now I'm going to take a quick shower and then get ready for the day. So we got an 8 o'clock, a 9 o'clock class, and then we'll get ready for the workshop with Jeremy and BJ. So, but a good arm workout, ended with a little conditioning, and now time to start the Saturday. After the workout, just took 25 grams of protein, and I'm getting ready for everything. So I've been absolutely packed. So I just got 2 handfuls of peanuts and 1 handful of almonds.
Big rock stars. Great, now I can't sing it. Hold on.
Oh, that's the reason you can't sing it, huh? Where the ball is, we're gonna do 10 squats, just going butt to ball. So again, always pushing through the heels, chest up, getting as low as you guys can, using the ball as a marker. So I walk in and Monica's just reading Scottsdale Health. Let's just do this real quick. Scottsdale Health, that's the magazine, right? Also, she doesn't know it yet, but we might have a date sometime. And now, you have to look at this. Solo Scottsdale. Warren Laffey is single. He is 71 years old and 6'5". Now, I know people hate on online dating, but what about magazine dating? All right, now that's the next level. We're about to take this dating. Scottsdale Health is they're changing the world right now. All right, everybody is starting to show up now for the event. Jeremy's just getting all ready. And we'll get rolling here in a little bit. Still waiting on BJ, and we'll get some talking done, and we'll make it a fun day.
All right, we are here with the man, the myth, the legend, Jeremy Scott, getting ready for the workshop.
We are trying to.
How are we feeling, and what's the day looking like?
Just a lot of assault bike, basically a lot of burpees. You know, the normal, really fun shit. It's basically Metcon for like 7 hours straight. See if we can puke, all of us together.
Oh, I'm okay, thank you. Hi, dude. It shocks me that any one of you would want to come and hear us talk. Like, it really does. Like, I wouldn't. I feel the same way by the end of the event, but I know he and I, when we get into something, we started, in the primordial ooze of fitness before it really started to explode. We've seen a lot of change in the last decade. I've been at this for 15 years, and so I just want you to know how much we appreciate the fact that you travel, you invested your money in this. Hopefully by the end of the session, we can leave you with some insights that can move you in the right direction or address kind of an obstacle right since he was 8. He had 4 kids by the time he was 10, a full beard, okay? He's just that dude. So if you compare yourselves to others, your gains, your business, your life, you lose. Because there's always someone better. And
It's been an absolutely crazy day. Right now I'm doing a lot of footage for the workshop, so I'm kind of running back and forth. Haven't been able to film as much as I'd like, but having some good segments, learning a lot. A lot of people are here that are just wanting to learn and get better in the fitness world, and they're just great people. So really fun connecting, but we have food coming. Monica and Heather just went to grab that, and then we're just gonna keep on rolling through the workshop.
That's probably ideal, but again, the sciatica, that low back pain, I can't tell you.
First big meal of the day. This is a bowl of greens, and it's their chicken bowl, and it has cauliflower, broccoli, sweet potatoes, and rice. And best part, it was free from these guys. So, so I have to eat it. So there's no choice. So this will be the first big meal of the day, and we're still just going, but it's taking a little break to grab some food. So they're getting ready to explain the workout. Jeremy's gonna have them do a Metcon workout here, so everybody's just kind of getting ready before they go. I'm playing around with the smooth, so that's why the camera's kind of off. It's one of the pieces of equipment we have here. But yeah, so they're gonna do a workout where it's more Metcon style or cardio respiratory, and then they're going to be doing another workout where it's more from BJ, where it's going to be more about gains or like building muscle in that format. So I'll record that and let you guys watch it.
Full, slow, 1, 2, balance a glass of water underneath the entire set. 2 minutes. 1, go. Begin! Slow and sexy. Smooth and supple. 8. Right now you should feel it in the lungs. Right in the lungs. 1 minute. Okay, you got a minute. DailyBJ.com is a feeder to my, which is $20 a month, is the feeder to my high-end $200 a month Gorilla Core Gains program. So what I've done a really poor job of.
So it's about 6:30. We're still here. It's just about finishing up, as you can see behind me, if I can get this thing working. So yeah, we're just still here. I still haven't ate. Again, just been videotaping all day. But I will show you guys if I eat again. I will eat again, but it'll be a giant meal. But we're just gonna wrap up here. I gotta do some finishing, talking with them, putting stuff away. Super long day, maybe not the most exciting, but it's been so fun for me, just learning and getting to watch these guys that are top in the fitness industry. I just meant by not having a lot of footage, possibly, or not a very exciting day for you guys have seen my life. You know, it's been a lot of just here at JSF. You know, I've been here since 6 a.m. and it's 6:20, and I'll be here a little longer. So it's going to be a pretty simple day, but I didn't want to miss out the opportunity of videotaping, you know, some of the best knowledge that these guys make so much money because they are the best. They work for Men's Health. They've been sponsored by Reebok. They are the top fitness professionals in their positions and in the industry. And so if that interests you guys, you know, these are great guys to learn from, to follow on Instagram, and just to be with people that are good-hearted people that want to see you succeed in life and have a positive impact on your life. So feel very thankful to just be a part of this today. But again, I will show you what we'll be eating as we get going, but it's just a long day, so we'll power through it.
Admittedly, this is a little bit too tight.
But it fits.
It does fit.
I think you pull it off.
That makes a really good undershirt for your jersey.
I mean, it's almost like compression. How do I look?
It looks good.
It looks real.
7:30 p.m. and we are finally leaving the gym. But again, I'm so pumped. It was just an awesome day. You know, meeting those guys just made it all worth it. Absolutely love my job. And so now I'm just going home to, I'm going to watch Friends, to be honest. I'm watching Friends, and I actually got not just one, two of the meals that they left over that I had for lunch. So I'm going to just smash those. So again, today was supposed to be actually a low carb day. I was only supposed to stay under 100. But I just played it by ear. I wasn't going to stress about having to go cook food or go anything. You know, I'm still going to be in a calorie deficit. And, you know, that's just a little point I just want to put out there, guys. You know, sometimes we have plans and plans change. You know, just because you were going to eat a certain way, sometimes the schedule changes. And instead of stressing about it, just make a smart choice. You know, you don't have to be absolutely perfect, but just making a choice that's, you know, not going to throw you off track. So again, tonight, I'm going to go eat those 2 meals. And for myself, I know I will be under my calories for the 3,000 calories for the day because I haven't ate almost anything. I've had protein shake and some peanuts and almonds like I told you guys earlier, and then I had that lunch. So then again, I'm going to get more vegetables, more chicken, and then a little bit of rice for some carbs. So again, I will stay under the 3,000, but it's going to be a day that I really don't track my macros, and I won't really know what I'm at, but I know I'm making great choices that I can deal with. So, and just a little rant on that, you know, always just doing the best you can with what you have, and not every day is going to be perfect, and you just got to roll with the punches, because like, again, today is a super busy day, and you know, I didn't want to have to, I was at the gym at 6 a.m. and it's 7:30 and I just left, and so I didn't want to have to worry and stress with my job and with everything I had to do today about food. So it's just been a successful day, and yeah, now we're gonna go home, we're gonna smash some food, we're gonna watch Friends, and we're just gonna relax and enjoy the rest of the night. But I'll show you guys our food that we're having and kind of break it down from there. Wanted to show you guys meal number 3 or 4, heck, I don't even know, maybe 2. But it's my last meal of the day because I just got home. I usually never eat in bed because I just don't like to. I usually eat out on the kitchen table, but I'm just so wiped today. I've been on my feet all day, so I just want to lay down and relax. So these are the 2 meals. Again, they're pretty good sized. Chicken, this one has the rice. This one's just chicken and vegetables. So I'll probably just do the vegetable one first and then see. I might add the rice in, might not, especially since I am trying to keep it a little lower. And then, of course, I got my Friends going on in the background that I'll be watching. But it's just an awesome day. And just I wanted to go off about BJ. There will be some photos and just how you see him. He's just a real dude. He's hilarious. He's super funny. And, you know, he's known for his sexual innuendos like he does the Daily BJ because that's his name. And so he feeds off that, and that's a market point for him. And he's just an awesome dude, funny dude, but just so smart and just like a genuine person. And I just wanted to just show you guys like how great of a person he was and how funny he was. And so it was just an awesome day. As you guys can tell, I'm super wiped. Not super exciting right now. But I'm just going to be honest, I'm going to smash these 2 meals, probably take a shower, and then I'm going to go to bed for the night. So nothing too crazy on this Saturday here, but I just wanted to show you guys a day that I'm going to hopefully remember for a long time, and that's why another reason I wanted to record it selfishly, just so I can remember it and just see all the great content that they put out today. So really enjoy you guys watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope you guys have a great week. I'll see you next time.